Hello guys, we are again making another illustration and it is a Hello Kitty.
Yep, it is Hello Kitty.
And this one is a cool Hello Kitty because
she's on a race.
yeah, he's driving a race car or sports car. And she is wearing a
Helmet.
ooh, but it is safe to ride.
Hey, do you have a helmet for a bike?
Yeah, helmet is very useful because if you have an accident, it will protect your head. Okay, anyway, this Hello Kitty is so cool. We are now making a car and it is a beautiful car. By the way guys, you can request for characters that you want. We are going to illustrate. Just leave a comment for us. Okay. The car is taking shape now. We're going to make some lights. Beautiful lights. Okay guys, leave a comments if you want to make our illustrations a little faster or if you want slower. Just leave a comment so that we know it.
And you choose.
Yeah. If you don't leave a comments on who we are going to illustrate next, my daughter will choose one for you, and I know what she will be choose. It is a Hello Kitty again. Okay, we are making some shadows now. Okay, we are making the flag. It is used for race. It is race flag with black and white. Yes, we're almost done. We are going to color it now. Here is Awit.
And my Hello Kitty shirt.
Yeah. He was coloring now the bow, the ribbon of Hello Kitty with pink.
Yeah, pink one.
Yeah. It is her favorite color, pink. And then the helmet with red. Hello Kitty is wearing a red helmet.
And a red race car.
Yeah. It is cool, isn't it?
Yeah.
Now be careful in coloring, especially the kids. But it's okay if you mess up.
Just practice
every day.
And you'll get better.
Yeah, just like Awit is doing. He was practicing every day. So she will be great in coloring. Okay, helmet is done. Next is the car. It is a red car.
It is
careful in coloring the car, but it's okay, we are enjoying it. Just enjoy coloring. And then another pink. Wow. This gloves is pink, so cool.
Yeah.
He has a leather jacket.
Yeah. That is important on racing. And add some black wheels.
Okay. We are refining it now.
Yeah. Okay, now let's color a little more.
Okay.
Now let's add some speed later after that.
We're going to put some shades on Hello Kitty and in her car so that it will be look pretty. And the number, we're going to color the number. We are number 1.
Yeah, Hello Kitty is always number 1.
And guys, we are happy to announce that we reached 500 subscribers.
Yeah.
Wow,
That was-
amazing.
Yeah. Just
For,
keep this.
for just a month and a half. Thank you guys for supporting us. We're happy. We're very happy. And we thank you for that. For supporting us. So we are making some speed.
Yep.
It's blue marker to suggest some speed, and then on the other side it is a little bit red, orangey.
Yeah, it is orangey.
Huh? Woohoo! The Hello Kitty is driving with so fast. I think she will win the race. Woo! It's exciting to color. Wow!
Yeah.
I hope you enjoy too, guys. If you can follow the coloring, that's great. Now we are making the final touch. The white lines.
Okay, now so goodbye, guys. I hope you subscribe and give us a comment.
Yeah, thank you. Bye-bye.